In this video, I'm going to teach you how to browse internet on Smart TV. The first thing you need to do is you need to ensure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi or any internet. After that, you need to actually head over right here into your actual Smart TV and search right here for the browser that you want. So in here, Samsung has built-in browser as such as other smart TVs, they have it as well. But you can also install another or third-party browser to use this. For smart TVs with built-in browser, you can just turn on your TV and search for the browser app and open and use it. You can also install browser by going to your Google Play Store and searching for Google Chrome, Firefox, or browsers suited for TV screens such as Puffin TV Browser. Install the app and launch the browser and then browse the internet through that way. You can also use external TV boxes and streaming devices to make things much more seamless. But once you're done, you should be good to go. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.